kept my weight off using these principles for over 20 years, and I was an overeater and professional dieter that tried everything in the books of dietetics to lose weight with no success. I then turned to exercise and gained weight while exercising. How is that possible? Well, you can out-eat your energy expenditure in just a few minutes. Using my biochemistry background and studying thin eaters and having a strong love and respect for how God has created the human body and learning how well designed it was for healing, I developed this program. What did I learn from turning to God? Is that it was natural to lose weight using hunger and fullness. Diets do not address the emotions of a person and the person's inward longings. Many people eat from the pain in life and the stress. Each person has a deep yearning for more, but they don't know that this yearning is just a pre-programmed honing device that God has put in each of us so that we might reach out and seek God. The heart is located next to the stomach, and it's not surprising that we have tried to put chocolate cake or chips and dip down in this longing heart. Weigh Down will teach you how to distinguish the difference between physiological hunger and spiritual hunger. And it is working for everyone, young and old, for children, for people who think they have no hope. It just simply works. God is a genius.
I was always the biggest kid in class. It was humiliating. All I heard were insults, and with that, it was a lot of pain. Spiritually, physically, emotionally, everything hurt. I probably topped out at about 550. I had a lot of anger. I was running to alcohol and running to drugs. I hated life. I wanted to lose weight, but nothing worked. After taking Weigh Down Advanced, my life started changing. In 18 months, I lost 257 pounds. I felt like a new person.
Maggie and Andy, any doubt in your mind that if you come back and visit us in 3 years, you'll still be the skinny selves you are today?
Good question.
No doubt in my mind.
It's time to get help by turning to your Creator and eating the way all children eat, the way you used to eat. Wake it back up. Return to natural eating. It's the only way to keep it off permanently the rest of your life. Do not give up on yourself. Just because you've been dieting and unsuccessful, it doesn't mean that you can't do this. You were born to do this. When you get the truth is going to set you permanently free. Weigh Down is the answer that you've been looking for.
65 pounds.
70.
55.
68. 30 pounds.
35. 80 pounds.
25. 45.
30.
50 pounds.
35 pounds.
This is the place for permanent weight loss. Praise God.
But it's good to be so good to be with. Don't you know now that there are times I get lonely? I try to fill this hole up in my heart with you only. To find that you've already been there and know what's best for me. You feel the rest. I gotta say, I gotta sing. I am a happy human being. Let me say